And welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my May 2020 IPSY GLAM BAG Plus. So typically with this box I like to normally do a try on, which I'm still going to do for you guys. I'm not going to take anything and put it away as of yet because I did have a lot of add-ons. Let me start by saying that IPSY has definitely been blowing BoxyCharm out the water in my personal opinion. Feel like the products have been great. I feel like it's been worth the value of the box that we pay. I'm very happy with IPSY at the moment. I am considering signing up for the IPSY Ultimate, maybe. I will double check on that. Don't quote me, because I feel like they definitely deserve my money and doing really, really well. So, if you're not aware, the IPSY GLAM BAG Plus is $25 a month. With tax, it is $27 and some change. They do have another bag which is lower. It's the IPSY GLAM BAG, which is $12, and with tax, it's probably like $13 something a month. And that one's not a bad option as well. The only problem with that is you do not get full-size items, more deluxe size products. So I'm sharing with you guys today what I got, the add-ons that I added on as well. And then I'm going to be filming a video tomorrow showing you guys babe, stop. Showing you guys the stuff that I have and trying it on for you guys, because it really does have a full face. The only thing it does not have is the foundation, but for the most part it is pretty much a full-faced box, which I'm really happy about. Here it is here. I hope the lighting is okay. It is dark now, so I am using my ring light. Let's get into the video. I don't want to spend too much time. It is nicely packed. My box did come a little bit beat up, but I know that's nothing to do with IPSY. I'm going to start with the stuff that was in my month box. So the first item that I see is these MOTD cosmetic brushes. It looks like they might be eye brushes. They're black and gold, which is always pretty. It has a straight to the point, which is like a brow or liner, sultry smudge. It has, this looks like a pointed pencil me in, like a pencil. This is a Masterpiece crease, and then a no fudge, just smudge brush. I may keep these, I may not, just because I do have so many brushes already. I do love brushes. I may pass them along or give them in a upcoming giveaway. I currently have one going on now. Item that I see in here is the Vineyard Souris eyeshadow palette from Colored Rain. It looks like that. And I have to say that this is not a brand that I'm familiar with, but I will say that everything that I have tried from this brand through my IPSY, I have actually really enjoyed. I was sent a highlighter a few months back, and I have used it. I do really, really like it. It's a very nice and pigmented highlighter. This is what the outside looks like. And then these are the shades on the inside. Really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to keep it just because I have so many palettes, and I got some that are not even here yet that I ordered. So yeah, I really need to try to buckle down on my eyeshadow palettes because there's so many of them, and it's kind of getting out of hand. And I'm a type of person that I don't like stuff to just sit. It really bothers me, so I may not keep this, not because I don't think it's any good, but just because I don't need it, and I may hang on to this as well for a future giveaway. The next thing that I see in here is Nomad Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun palette. This has a highlighter, illuminator, and it looks like 2 bronzers. And this brand I have heard of. This is the brand that has that Tokyo palette, I believe, that I really, really wanted. And I never ordered because I just couldn't get myself to do it. But since then I have ordered a lot more palettes unfortunately. So this is what it looks like, and it is a IPSY exclusive is what it's saying. Wow, it's really does have a protective cover, which we always love. So it has like a matte bronzer, a more sun glowed like shimmer bronzer, and then it has this lighter one here, and then this kind of like highlight one. It does have a mirror. So these are really, really pretty. I can't wait to try these and on my face and see what they're like. That highlighter's a different color than what I'm used to. It's more on the apricot peachy side, but I'm definitely going to try it out and see. I think I'm definitely going to keep this because I haven't tried anything from this brand, and I really want to try some products out from them. I heard really good things about them. I did get this Tarte Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick and Sprinkle. That is a color right there. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very cute. I love Tarte. It's one of my favorite brands, as you guys know. And so I have seen these when I worked at Ulta, and I have tried them. And I don't have any personally of my own, but I do really like them. I think they're really nice. They don't sit down completely like a true matte liquid lipstick does, but they do sit comfortably, and they do last a long time on the lips. So I am really excited about this product, and definitely will be keeping that one as well. And then I have two more products in here. From the box itself, I have the Wonder Beauty Clear, I think this is a brow gel, if I understood correctly on my information to my box. Yes, it is a very tiny wand right there. And I've heard a lot of good things about the brand Wander. I don't have this. I have this, and I think a highlighter. I might have a couple other things that I got in previous IPSYs as well. So I'm really excited to try this. My friend here on YouTube, her name is Brandy. She's from It's a Miracle Beauty. I will leave her link down below. She has a video on a full face of Wonder Beauty products, which was very informative, very helpful. So I really want to try more products from that brand. Thanks to her video. So definitely check it out. I will link it down below, like I said. And then we have this little bag. You know, every month they send a bag. I think this is really cute. The inside is really cute as well. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it has just like little gold specks. I do love to get these in my boxes because I do use these when I do giveaways and things like that, or when I'm giving makeup to family and friends. I like to fill these up and give it to them in these, so I really do enjoy that. I did not give you guys any prices, and that's just because this card doesn't have the information on here. This is just, it has like other details. Get that glow. It has your add-ons information, and then it just kind of gives you everything you need to know on how to highlight, contour, blah blah blah, you know. So I apologize, I thought that was the informational card, but it's not. So out of 3 of the 5 products that I got, I'm thinking about keeping. I did say this one here, the lip from Tarte, and then the Wonder Beauty brow gel. And I'm probably going to save this for a future giveaway for somebody, the Colored Rain palette, just because I have so many already. And then I might go ahead and put these in a future giveaway as well. Like I said, I don't necessarily need these, and I did recently just haul a ton of makeup brushes. These do look really nice. I may change my mind, but that's why I'm not opening them, just in case, so that if I do decide to give those away, they will be untouched. But they do look really nice. All right, so on to the add-ons. So I did add on this Tarte H2O gloss, and this is in the color Sail Away. This is one of those like small deluxe size samples. This one is in the color 0.33 fluid ounce. This I did pay $3 for. I don't know if it was worth the $3. I do love these glosses. This is my second one. but I don't know if I would say it was worth the $3. I love the smell. These are very hydrating. They stay on. They're not tacky or sticky or anything like that. I did also add on the Yensa Color Face BC Concealer. It's a BB and CC full coverage concealer. This is in light neutral. It was $3 as well. Hopefully it matches me. I don't know that it will. I just had picked, you know, yeah, I think it will. It's coming out already. I do think it will fit me, so excited to give that a try. Next item I got was the Strawberry Jelly Tarte Anytime Lip Mask. That one is sealed, so that is good. It looks like that. It's very tiny, but I wanted to give it a try. Hopefully I'm going to have concealer left in this. I'm kind of worrying about it because when I opened it, it was all coming out. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys on this concealer, it says that it is a creaseless formula, provides flawless coverage, and has 8 super blocks essence, whatever that means. And then I got this Farrah brush. I think it was $3 as well. Told you guys I have a bad obsession with makeup brushes, so that's why I feel like I don't necessarily need those, although they're really pretty. This is very, very soft, so that is one of them there. And 2 of these brushes came together. I think it was these 2 here. This is the they have that nice protective covers that I like. This is Farrah as well. And I can't remember if this came with that little one. I don't know. But anyways, this is the 160 face brush, and it has like a angle to it. And it's very, very soft. Feels really, really nice. Has like a marble handle with the rose gold. I'm very happy about this one. I want to say I paid $3 for this one as well. I can't wait to use those 2. Very, very pretty. And then I got this Ofra blush. I've never tried anything from Ofra. And then these 2 brushes. I think this one was $5. So the first brush I got has this protective thing on it. I love these guys. I save them. This is from the Beauty Crop. It's a very cute brush. It's number 203 powder. Look how pretty that is. Pink and blue, and it has a little pineapple. I love pineapples. And then the brush is very, very soft. This will be a great bronzer, powder, very nice. I do really like that. Cannot wait to try that. I love that they put these little covers on them because they really do help withstand the brushes. I have been loving IPSY's add-ons, you guys. I definitely need to stay away from them because they can be dangerous, but I have been loving them. I think they're great deals, great products, so definitely check them out. So the last 2 things I have here is, like I said, an Ofra Madison Miller. I think this is a YouTuber, if I remember correctly. I think I used to watch her when she was a lot smaller, just starting out before she had a child and all of that. I believe her husband is a race car driver, professionally. So, like I said, I used to watch her before she got real big on YouTube and all of that. When they tend to get really big, then I kind of lose interest because I feel like so many people change at that point. And that's just my opinion. I just feel like she kind of changed, from when I first initially was watching her and she was getting started. And so I just kind of moved on, but anyways, I do know who she is, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, I've never tried anything from Ofra, so this is going to be the first product that I try. I am excited about that. It's a very pretty mauvey blush. And then this is a Gigi Gorgeous makeup brush. It's the Contour. It's very, very pretty. Obviously another YouTuber. But this is her own thing, I'm assuming. Very, very pretty. Look, it has that pointed edge. This will be really, really good in my opinion for getting under the eyes and setting them with powder or even blending out concealer. That would be really, really nice. I cannot wait to try that. It is a very, very soft brush, and I believe it was $3. I think this and this came together, the Madison Miller, if I remember correctly. But it could have been these two brushes and then one of the brushes, and I can't remember exactly, so I apologize, but those are the add-ons that I added on. Like I said, I have a problem with hoarding brushes and makeup items in general. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these. But that is everything that I got in my May 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus, as well as my add-ons. I wanted to share that with you. Like I said, I will be doing a video the day after this one. So I'll post this, and then I'll post right following the next time I upload. I will put a video of me trying all of these products, letting you guys know what I think about them, and as far as trying them, not just the first initial impressions. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you got anything in your IPSY bag that I got as well. I would love to know if we got something the same. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, as well as hitting that bell notification. I really appreciate it, and it does help me out as well. But I thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.